Hey, Garrett here.
Hi, Janet.
I'm Janet. We're getting off the ship today in Cozumel, Mexico. And it was raining, as you can see. And right now it's not, but look around. Hey, that's the Carnival Glory. We are on the Regal Princess. And we're gonna just walk around. Unfortunately, we had a sailing trip, VIP sailing trip, scheduled for today, and they canceled last night. So we didn't book anything else. We're just going to get off and walk around. Yay. Now you should know that Princess and Carnival dock down here. We're south of the main part of town, San Miguel to Cozumel. And once we get around the bend here, you'll see a couple Royal Caribbean ships. They dock down here too. There is a cruise ship pier right in town. I think NCL uses it and probably several other lines. See, there's a Royal Caribbean now. So we've got the Harmony of the Seas and the Liberty of the Seas. And the Harmony is a big ship, one of the biggest. Well, I guess not anymore, because now they have the Icon and the Wonder. But look at how big that thing is. So they have these, and it's a tip service only, it says. They're not supposed to charge you. So if you don't want to tip them, you don't have to pay. They just have to give you a ride, I guess. So 2 ships, 1 ship, our ship, and Cozumel. Look how clear the water is. I can see rocks or coral on the bottom there. It must be about 10 feet deep here, I'm guessing. So first thing you have to do is go through the duty free. And we find that in a lot of ports. It's always called duty free, Cozumel duty free. So you got perfume, and you can smell it. Candy, vanilla, Tic Tacs, they sell those in the ship. Then you have jewelry, Colombian emeralds, watches, diamonds, emeralds, diamonds. And then you have stuff you forgot. Cigarettes, tequila, cigarettes.
Hola amigo, good morning. How can I help you?
Nope. Buenos dias.
Buenas.
Dias. And liquor. And Julio. Tips. Get a picture for the tips. So they have quite a lot of liquor here, and of course quite a lot of cigarettes. And I see the end of it. And then finally you reach the end of the gauntlet. Entrance, exit. They're going to check your ship card or medallion, whatever, right there. And I think they check it on the other end too. So here's a bar called the Three Amigos. I'm thinking it should have been called Tres Amigos, but whatever. And a dog in a cage. Not sure what the purpose of that is. I'm gonna guess if you're on, it's raining. If you're on a tour, you're gonna meet out here, right? Where the donkeys are. But, wow. There's Margarita, Senorita. And a recycling fish and Mexican popsicle. So Snuba, well, these all look like carnival thing. So you got some Mayan ruins here. They are not real. I mean, they might be ruins, but somebody built these here a few years ago. You got lots of stores, little kiosks selling things. So just a veritable gold mine of shopping opportunity. Well, you can see the ships out there. There's our ship, Princess, Carnival ship. Lots of stores. Diamonds International. Did you expect to see them? I did. Another duty-free. This shop seems to be crowded. Maybe they're the best bargains. I see 4 for 20, shirts heavyweight. 4 t-shirts for 20 bucks. That seems like a bargain, doesn't it? Let's take a spin through here. So the big price is USD, $2.99 or 57 pesos. It's about 19 or 20 pesos to the dollar right now. Wow. I almost went down. Shot glasses, $1.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Yeah, them bags ain't too bad either. $2.99.
$2.99. Get 2. They're small. Keychains, $3. Is this a line?
Yeah.
So I'm not sure what you're looking at. They're calling this a jar for $20. It's a glass mug, and I'm thinking it holds about a quart. Other glasses. Honestly, we're not looking for anything. We're only here for you. If it were up to me, I'd be out on the boat. Hey, look at those. Cozumel monkeys. Funky monkeys. $28. Wow, that seems a little steep. Postcards, $1 US. So here's little shirts, 4 for 19. I mean, look at this place. It's packed. You got your football team bags. Need some Botox? $9.99. There's several aisles you could walk down. We've moved over to this one, mainly because it seemed less crowded. I see Montezuma up there. Colored flags. Ice cream. Boots and leather. Jungle drums. Liquor, duty-free tequila. Oh, there's somebody playing the drums while somebody else dances. Drugs to go, does it say? No, drugs door. Piranha Joe. What we were saying when we got off the ship is we're 4 miles from the heart of Cozumel, the city, San Miguel, I think it's called.
This is just a shopping center.
Yeah, this is just, they built these docks here, and there's docks there, and there's docks up there, like I was saying. So you can take a cab into San Miguel. I understand it's $8 for up to 4 people. So a cab is $8 each way. Look at that little turtle, and a big turtle, and a medium turtle, and a waterfall. We're not going to do that today because I think it's going to start pouring at any moment. We're just going to walk around here and show you what there is to do here. But let's walk up this because I think this is the way to the cabs. It's tours going. So there was the shopping place. The ships are back there. This is, I guess, where the tours and the taxis leave from. And here's a price chart on the taxi. So let's go have a look at it. Puerto Maya is where this is. So the name of our dock is Puerto Maya. And if you want to go downtown, it's $8 each way for 1 to 4 passengers. 5 is 12 and 6 to 8 is 16. So, and there's lots of other places you might go. And the prices. So, we're just gonna walk a little ways. So here's the taxis. There was the price list. We're heading out of the gates into town. Although remember, it's not the main town, but it's the main road to town. And I guess they lock this place up when there's no ships here. So there may be better deals on stuff out here. I see lots of people selling tours out here. For some reason they're not allowed in there, or they don't want to pay whatever price it is to be in there. I can't tell you. So the gate was right back there. We've been out on the street for 2 minutes maybe. Got a gas station, but a 7-Eleven. You can get 6 Heinekens for 131 pesos. So that would be $6.57 for 6 Heinekens. A lot better than on the ship, right? 7-Eleven. And we've got little people set up out here on the street. Shops. I see a giant guitar there. And lots of stuff. Lots of stuff. Gun cases made of pure leather. Or real leather, I should say. Sombreros. Panama hats. That's some music and sound. Hey, Carl's Jr. Oh, it is a hard rock. So I guess that explains the guitar. I was about to say I don't think it's a hard rock, but it is. With a Carl's Jr. I think this is where the Royal Caribbean ships come out. So if you're on Royal Caribbean, I think you're going to come right down this dock. See them there? So we are out on the main road again. We're headed towards downtown. I don't think we're going to get there though. We just want to see what's around the port.
$1
And you can get conchs, pipes, bugs,
Yes, right there. Right there, sir.
rentals, pharmacy, market, Caribbean beach pass at our resort. So day pass for the beach, hotel. I think this is the El Cid. We stayed at the El Cid in Mazatlan years ago. It was pretty fun. Not on a cruise. Pharmacy, drugstore.
See the line?
Yeah, they got a line in there. Buenos dias. Well, you have more big Cozumel letters. And this looks like a nice-ish beach. You see people snorkeling right there, but I don't see anybody going out, really. Well, I think we've been walking maybe a mile. We're getting out of all the noise and excitement. Tequila. Ninja. Hi. Now it's like a Malecon, although the ocean is through there. You know, I call it a Malecon. I don't know if they do. No beach down there though. Rocks. So we're about a third of the way into San Miguel, you know, downtown Cozumel, you might say. And we're not going to walk down there. I mean, it's probably just shops. We were there 20 years ago. Puerto Maya. So they got a guard here. He's going to check your medallion or your ship card. Like that. Got a nice fountain here. I don't think you can swim in it. Well, I don't think you're supposed to swim in it. I guess you could pretty easily, just jump in. We're back to the duty-free store, which is the entrance, you know, back to the ship, you might say. There's our ship, right there. And so, from Cozumel,
I'm Janet.
I'm Garrett.